Hello, dear learner. Welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today, we are discussing a new interesting topic in which we learn something about mole mass calculation and mole particle calculation as well. So, let's start mole mass calculations. In the mole mass calculation, we can calculate number of moles from the mass, and we can calculate the mass from the number of moles. First of all, we calculate the number of moles if we have given the mass. So by this formula we can calculate the number of moles if we have the mass of a substance. So number of moles is equal to mass of a substance divided by molar or molecular mass of that substance. Let's we take an example. Calculate the moles in 60 gram of carbon dioxide. As we have given 60 gram of carbon dioxide, so the mass of carbon dioxide is 60 gram, and the molar or molecular mass of carbon dioxide is, we can calculate his here, 12 is the atomic mass of carbon atom plus number of atoms of oxygen, and 16 is the atomic mass of oxygen. So we can calculate their molar or molecular mass, which is 44. Now we calculate the number of moles by given formula, that the number of moles is equal to the given mass divided by molar mass. As we have given the mass is 60, and we calculated the molar mass, which is 44. We can divide the given mass from the molar mass, so we get the answer 1.364 moles. So we calculate the number of moles if we have the given mass of any substance. Now we calculate the mass if we have the number of moles. So if we have the number of moles of carbon dioxide is 1.364 moles, then how can we find the mass of carbon dioxide? So we write the formula for calculating the mass. So the mass is equal to the number of moles multiply their molar mass. As in the question, the number of moles are 1.364, and the molar mass which we have calculated of carbon dioxide is 44. So by multiplying these two, we get 60 gram of carbon dioxide mass. So we calculate here mole mass and mole mass calculations. Next, we will discuss about mole particle calculation. The particle means atoms or molecule. So the number of moles we can calculate if we have the number of particles or the number of atom or number of molecule. So by this formula we can calculate the number of moles. So number of moles is equal to number of particles divided by Avogadro's number. So the number of particles is equal to the number of moles multiply the Avogadro's number. First we will find the number of moles if we have the number of particles. So if hydrogen atom are 8.9 multiplied 10 raised to the power 23 atom. If we have hydrogen atom, then how can we find the number of moles from this atom? So we put the formula number of moles is equal to the number of atoms divided by Avogadro's number. So the number of atom we write here, and the Avogadro's number have the value of 6.023 multiplied 10 raised to the power 23. And when we calculate these two mathematically, we get the answer 1.48 moles. So we can calculate the number of moles if we have the number of atoms. Now we can find the number of atoms if we have the number of moles are given. So we write the formula number of atoms is equal to the number of moles multiply Avogadro's number. And if we have the number of moles 1.48, we multiply simply by this with Avogadro's number, that is 6.023 multiplied 10 raised to the power 23. And after solving these two mathematically, we get the answer 8.9 multiplied 10 raised to the power 23 atoms. So by this formula we can calculate the number of atoms from the number of moles. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends and fellows so we can grow each other. Thanks for watching.